What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Studio, channel for photographers and music producers. How are you guys doing? I want to say a very big thank you to everyone out there trying to support the channel one way or the other. My fans out there, I'm going to say one love. So today we're in FL Studio trying to show you the beat I made, Afro trap beat. So I'm just going to play you a preview of the beat and then I'm going to show you how I made the beat. So this is how it sounds like. Alright, so that's how the beat sounds like, and you can know if you're familiar with Omahlay beat. This is the type of Omahlay beat, just like Save Heaven. And this one I titled it Lonely, and it's actually unmixed right now. So I'm going to be doing a video of how I'm going to mix it. But before that, let me show you how I made the beat. First of all, I started with the drum pattern. So let's go to the drum kick. I'm going to set this. The tempo is 106, and the drum kick sounds like this. One, boom. So you can just copy the settings, and after that, I played out with this added reverb. So going to channel 2, you can see I added reverb and I distorted it a little bit. Just naturally mixed it, just wanted something that actually eating hard with a lot of reverb. So it sounded like this. And also this one. Let's go to the next one, which is 2. This one's actually sounding like this. So sounds like this. I added little reverb, but I don't think I used it. Okay, nothing was on the channel. Okay, so let's go back to the next one, sounding like this. Number 4. I used that, but I don't know why I used that. Okay. Alright, I don't mind my mouse this time around. Misbehaving. So it sounds like this. Okay. So you can just copy where I placed it and then modify your own drum pattern. This one sounds like this. So that's how it sounds. Although I processed this with the process tab, I actually stereo delay it. If I didn't do it like that, let me just copy value. If I reset it, it sounds like this. Reset sounds in the middle. So I just make it sound stereo. And the art. So let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as this bounce, the next one we have the boo bars, and I don't think I use this one. This is an 808 gig, so I didn't use it. So let's say it sounds like what is settings? Okay, let's say it sounds like only the drums. I'm just going to solo only the drums, so it sounds like this. So it's playing with that. Let's go. So after that, after I'm being okay with the drum, I actually added this melody. Sounds like this. Let's go to the audio part. So I downloaded this melody from Looperman. So sounds like this. So I wanted something that is so cool and emotional, and then I got that one. And I'll play it together with the beat. So it sounds like this now. Okay, so that's not actually the melody, this is the melody. So to get the emotional feeling of the beat. So that's just the way it sounded, and I wanted something different for the chorus. I wanted it to play full for the verse and then for the chorus. So I added this automation right here. So, and the musician is actually controlling an equalizer that I placed, controlling this equalizer. So let me just detach it first of all, and then go back to the piano playlist. So now you can see something will happen. So it's actually playing. Now when it gets to this place, it will disable this automation, this EQ. You can see it has disabled the EQ. So this is what's actually happening. I'm just going to fast forward it to this side, and then you can see the EQ is turned off. It's actually on right now. So it's just going to disable it. So that's what I automated. This one right here. That's what I automated with the fruity envelope. This one. So I set it to just 2 keys and then put the value up. So if it's on this one, it goes down. If you take it up, it goes up. So that's what you can see on the piano roll right here. I'm going to zoom out and see what. So if I press this key, it's going to turn on. It's going to turn on. If I press this key, it's going to turn off. That's what's actually controlling this one, the fruity envelope. So I just want something that is actually different from the verse and the chorus. So another thing, I followed the chord progression and I added this sample. So it sounds like this. It's just like a bell pad and playing on the background. So I've rendered it to wave file. So just something different. I don't need to do something crazy. Then I added this one, but I didn't actually use it. So this is what I use for this one. I added a low pass filter on the channel and then I rendered it to wave file, just because the plugin was actually making my system lag, and that's what we have. So still yet. Then when it got to this other part of the chorus, the verse, I added this bass. So I was trying other bass from other plugins, but it didn't work. So I used the normal stock plugin, which is the pool bass, and then I added sounds like this. So for just the last part, so with the melody sound like this. That's when you know you've entered the chorus. And one other thing is the bell. So everything all together, just simple and nothing to add. And then for the chorus, I added this hi-hat loop. I also downloaded from Looperman, and so it sounds like this. Sounds like this with a little bit. So that's just what's in the beat. And I'm going to press all. So just I've not actually mixed the beats, and I'll be doing a tutorial for how I'm going to mix the beats. So I just added fruity compressor actually to make it loud, because I was writing the lyrics of the song. Nothing too much. And for the drums pattern, I routed it to this bus right here. I'm just going to rename it drum box, and I added this plugin auto former. Yeah, so without it sounds like this. I'm going to turn off the rest and then I'm going to play. So without it sounds like this. So it just add more polish to the song. So the beat will be available on the channel later today. So I'm going to be mixing it and then I'm going to be uploading how I mix the beat apart from the one I've actually done. So just to make it, give it more fine tuning and then ready to be used. So if you want the beat, you can actually hit me up on YouTube. I'm going to turn this one off and then I'm going to turn this one on. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is just a pad sound. I wonder why it's not playing. Okay, I turned it off. Turn it off here. So it sounds like this. I didn't actually like the pad sound until I still rendered it to WAV file to avoid. So it's just like an arpeggio, just hitting the key one after the other. So everything rendered into WAV file. Now it is so the full beat. So riser and then clash. So for this one, I actually panned it to the left, and for the other crash, I panned it to the left. So create more movement and dynamics in the beat. The other thing, there's no roll, just a few things, and then for the bridge, just simple. So that's just the bridge, and that's just everything in the song. So alright, so let's see you up on the next video, and I'm going to be uploading a video of how I mix, by the way. The name of the song or the instrumental is Lonely, so you can actually check it out on the channel. Lonely. So if you're new to the channel, you can please subscribe. If you enjoy the content we post, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Turn on the notification button or hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post more videos. So see you. Take care.